Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to export in 4K resolution on the Edits Instagram app. So if you want to export your video in 4K using the Edits Instagram app, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store. You want to go ahead and search for Edits, the Instagram app. Go ahead and update it if there is one. Next, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on a project which you've created, or you can create a new one. Now to export this resolution in 4K, by default, it is set to 2K. However, you can go ahead and change this to 4K. So you go ahead and tap on 2K at the top right, and then go ahead and change it to 4K. And now once that's done, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right, and that will export your video in 4K resolution. So there you go guys, that is how to export your video in 4K resolution on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.